Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go over a rover I'm working on that teaches itself to drive and avoid thermal hazards. This rover uses Q reinforcement learning to create an optimal drive plan based off of its actions. So it's going to turn left, right, forward, and backwards based off of any hazards it finds with the LiDAR or any thermal traps it finds with its IR sensor. I wanted to get this robot a little further, but ended up actually burning out the microcontroller I was using because it is not really made for these high compute applications. But I was happy to squeeze out as much as I possibly could out of a $20 microcontroller. And from here, I'm going to put a more powerful controller on it and try to upgrade this algorithm so it can actually drive even better. But currently, it will spin in circles, slowly teach itself to not crash as much, and then it kind of, after a little bit, converges. This video missed some of that because whenever I got it to that point afterwards, I hadn't recorded it, and then the microcontroller burnt out. I'm hoping to have a demo for that in the upcoming week, and I'm excited to get this driving by itself.